Hey there, Ben Lipper here. A lot of people have said this robot's illegal. Go ahead and check out OverCenter. Now, if you're looking at this robot and you're thinking, hey, maybe that's something I'm interested in building, there's a link underneath this video. Go ahead and click it. I'll send you a bunch of details about it. Now, the reason people think this robot's illegal is because it looks like this robot goes out of size box. Basically, the maximum size for your robot this year is 24 inches from basically what's the longest extended that possibly can be. This robot, we were very careful and we figured out how to make it so you could reach level 3 and still be within that 24-inch limit. Is it close? You bet. It's about 23.5 inches long. But it stays inside. It's pretty clear. I've got another video that shows you that. Basically, if you click the link under this video, actually enter your email address, and that'll take you to a video that'll actually show you a bunch of details on this robot, as well as it'll show you that dimension. So, like I said before, go ahead, click the link under this video, enter your email address. I'll send you a ton of pictures, a ton of really helpful resources. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. As always, like and subscribe, and I cannot wait to see what you build this year.